My confidence has been at an all-time high at this point. I'm a trial attorney, so I'm in front of a jury, I'm in front of a judge, and in this world, they make snap judgments in the first 5 seconds whether or not they like you. I started noticing other people with good hair when I was walking around the city of Austin. I just started wondering why couldn't I have that, right? This doesn't have to be my scenario, right? I could do something about it. I just typed in hair transplants in Austin. McGrath Medical was one of the first ones that popped up. I remember coming into this office and I met with the two doctors here. It was McGrath and Hughes. And I remember specifically they said, hey, before we even recommend hair transplants, we actually recommend you try more of the medicine first before proceeding with a hair transplant. It didn't feel salesy. They weren't pushing anything on me. If anything, that's kind of the reason why I wanted to move forward faster, because I was so excited to just kind of get it over with. I remember the day was pretty painless. I came in early in the morning. They just kind of gave the lay of the land of what can I expect, how long it was going to be. I just remember laying down and relaxing for 5-6 hours, and next thing you know the procedure was done. It's been a year since the transplant, and I think my confidence has been at an all-time high at this point. In my professional life, I'm client-facing forward. And not having to worry about my insecurity or worrying about what someone thinks about my hair, if it was looking extra flat or fine that day. We're able to actually focus on what problem they have and what they're trying to solve, which allows me to actually think more clearly and just focus on what's the issue at hand and let's solve it.